Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be having a very interesting video. I am going to be gifting Nairofey with a cake since she hit 30,000 subscribers, and as I can see, she's already here. I don't know if I will be able to zoom in, so let's just get the cake. Let me put my mask on because you know COVID. Then let's gift the cake to her. So let's go. Nairofey.
Cake for us. Cake for us. Cake for us. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Had you been what?
I swear to God, and I told you.
My cake.
I told you I've been craving. What? No jokes. I've told you. Like, it's like I'm lying. I told her.
Are you
Ah.
my cake? You're putting my cake.
And she told me, that's how they bring the cake for us.
For us?
That's what they never for me. For me. And you say, we get 30,000 sounds. How do I know that? How do they?
Oh. Asking her DM.
Even your wedding cake, you just go sample. Yeah, you sample, taste.
The packaging is so classy.
Thank you. Okay. Everything is edible.
Everything is edible.
Yeah, mint leaves, strawberries, pearl. It was meant to be a cone, the ice cream cone. Then all the shops are closed, so I had to customize with chocolate.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's chocolate.
Like one of these.
Love it. Wow.
Thank you.
You've done a good job.
Thank you.
I think you'll do my wedding cake, that's for sure.
Kabisa.
Guys, so the pastry kitchen has brought me a dope cake. Thank you so much. I'm really happy.
You're welcome, and I'm really happy that you love it.
Who will love that cake? Everyone will. So guys, if you want a cake, and if you've been watching and you have never ordered a cake from her, you're doing her wrong. Order it. So thank you so much. I hope to work with you in the future.
Thank
We'll do my wedding cake, that's for sure.
I can't wait.
So thank you guys for watching. We love you so much.
Bye.
Mwah.
And also subscribe to our channel if you
Yeah.
haven't. I'll post the link down below.
At Nairofey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.